Number 1. Mercedes-Benz 450 SL, 1976 year of issue. This California car is equipped with an automatic transmission, V8 engine, power-assisted steering, four-wheel disc brakes, twin exhaust finishers, VDO instrumentation, quad headlamps, side moldings, black convertible soft top, body color hardtop, and a 4-spoke steering wheel. Additional convenience features include air conditioning, Blaupunkt radio, power-operated windows, cruise control, a center console, and a cigar lighter with an ashtray. This particular 450 SL comes with an owner's manual, providing valuable insights and information for the new owner. While the car currently has a strong crank, it requires some additional work to recommission it to its former glory and get it back on the road again. Number 2. MG MGB, 1979 year of issue. The car has been repainted, freshly powder-coated wheels. New convertible top, fuel tank, radiator, steering wheel, multiple lamp assemblies and lenses. Door lock sets, windshield washer pump, rear half of the exhaust, and the list goes on. I've only driven the car around a small industrial park, so I don't know what all the car needs, but the clutch feels good. Goes through the gears just fine. Power feels good and it doesn't burn oil. Brakes are a bit inconsistent. It's a bit wet at both ends of the motor, so the front and rear mail seal could probably be replaced. I don't believe the electric cooling fan kicks on. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz 200, 1967 year of issue. This blue plate California car is equipped a 4-speed column shift manual transmission, M121 4-cylinder engine, front-wheel disc brakes, Solix dual carburetors, single exhaust outlet, chrome trim / grille, chrome bumpers with overriders, .220" badges, 2-spoke steering wheel with horn ring, body side molding, white line tires, Mercedes-Benz branded hubcaps, jack, and a full-size spare tire fitted in the trunk. Amenities include manual crank windows, driver side rear view mirror, fender mounted antenna, door pockets, center console, dashboard lighter with an ashtray, glove compartment, and sun visors with a vanity mirror on the passenger side. Number 4. Ford Galaxy 500, 1966 year of issue. (1966) Ford Galaxy 500. running driving classic, 390 FE V8. Two BBL auto transmission, power brakes, power steering, power windows and locks. In the last 2 months, we have fixed and performed all routine maintenance on this car. It runs excellent, drives straight, and stops like it should. Number 5. Dodge Polara. 1963 year of issue. Runs and drives pretty well. Currently leaks transmission fluid. Needs shift cable replaced. Has many new parts including floor pan, dual exhaust, carpet. Does have Bondo and other quick fix patchwork done by previous owner, currently sitting on trailer tires for whatever reason. But they are in great condition. You don't see too many 4-door hardtops. That could be good or bad. .383 with push-button torque flight. Power steering, power brakes. Number 6. Ford Falcon. 1963 year of issue. 1963 Falcon 170 CI6 cylinder engine, 3-speed manual, 3 on the tree. $57000 original miles all. New brakes, upgrade 2 dual circuit, new clutch kit. New radiator all. New gaskets on engine, rebuilt carburetor, new fuel pump, everything works. Classic auto sound, radio, great heat. New headliner, white wall tires, only 2K miles on them. Number 7. Porsche 924, 1977 year of issue. The car wears a copper metallic paint with reupholstered seats in tan vinyl and tartan cloth. And it is powered by a 2.0-liter inline-4 paired with a 4-speed manual transaxle. Additional equipment includes pop-up headlights, a removable sunroof, and an aftermarket CD stereo. The car was acquired approximately 7 years ago. It features pop-up headlights, a removable sunroof, black trim, and a single exhaust outlet. Dings and dents are noted in the bodywork, and some paint is peeling at the hood edges and rain channels. Hide headlamp bulbs have been added. Black 14's 8-spoke alloy wheels have been powder-coated and are mounted with Falcon Sincera tires. No spare tire is present. Braking is handled by front discs and rear drums, and the car was optioned with front and rear stabilizer bars. Number 8. Mercedes-Benz 350 SL, 1980 year of issue. This example comes finished in a clean coat of medium gray paint that is complemented by a tan leather interior. It rides on chrome wheels and features a light spoiler on the rear trunk lid, which provides an added touch of sportiness to the overall appearance. The interior is as clean as the exterior and is a comfortable place to pilot this classic luxury roadster from. Since the introduction of the 300 SL Roadster in 1957, the Mercedes SL nameplate has been associated with the best of the best in open-air motoring. To this day, the Mercedes SL masterfully combines quality, performance, elegance, and style. The 1980 350 SL is part of the legendary run from 1971 to 1989 that continued the SL's reign of success.